To enroll a SkyBell into Total Connect using an Android device, first open the app and tap Cameras. Tap Add Camera. And then select SkyBell. Now tap Add a new SkyBell. Make sure that your SkyBell is powered up and flashing red and green alternately. If the LED is solid, let's set the device to factory defaults. This is accomplished by holding the button down for a period of time for the LED to cycle through the following sequence. Hold the button. The LED will turn lime green. Next it will flash red and green. Keep holding it down. Now you will see blue. Just a little longer. Finally, it will turn yellow. You can release the button and wait for the unit to reboot and flash red and green. Tap Next to continue. Let's start by putting your device in airplane mode. Tap Go to Settings. Turn on airplane mode, and tap your device's back button. In this case, it is found at the top of the screen. Tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Now we need to turn Wi-Fi on and select the SkyBell. Tap Go to Settings again. Turn on Wi-Fi and then select the SkyBell network when it pops up. Tap your device's back button to return. Now, tap Next. Select the network to connect the SkyBell to and tap Next. Enter the network password and tap Next. Total Connect will begin provisioning the SkyBell. You will see the LED flash orange, then change to a blue and green flash, and final to a solid green, the default color. Wait a few more seconds and the app will indicate that the SkyBell has been successfully added. Tap OK to continue. The final step in the process is to turn off airplane mode. Tap Go to Settings. Turn off airplane mode and tap the device's back button. Tap Next, and your SkyBell camera will be displayed.